Telangana Police has launched a next generation AI powered Dial 112 emergency response support system integrating police, fire, ambulance, women safety, child protection, and disaster response under a single emergency number. Director General of Police C.V. Anand unveiled the platform at the Telangana Integrated Command and Control Center in Hyderabad. The AI system can transcribe calls, identify the caller's location through GPS, prepare a summary, and route the call to the concerned department, enabling faster dispatch of emergency teams. In a first for India, Telangana Police has also integrated AI powered drones into the system. The drones will act as aerial first responders, streaming live video from emergency sites before ground teams arrive. The pilot project will begin in Hyderabad, Cyberabad, Malkajgiri, and Future City commissionerates. The platform also filters spam calls, prioritizes emergencies, and provides real time monitoring. Live demonstrations showcased AI based call processing and automatic dispatch of the nearest patrol vehicle. The TGERS's Dial 112 center functions 24/7 with 164 trained personnel and 900 communication channels. Every day, it receives nearly 14 lakh calls, handles around 18,000 emergency calls, and dispatches nearly 7,500 incidents to field units.